Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Polynomial division makes this complex integral look easy, so let us break it down into 3 quick steps to find the correct answer in 60 seconds. Since the degree of the numerator is higher, we first perform polynomial long division. Dividing the quadratic by the linear term gives us a simple linear expression plus a remainder fraction. Now we integrate each part separately. The integral of x is 1/2 x squared, the integral of 2 is 2x, and the integral of the fraction yields a natural log. Finally, we compare our result with the given choices. Our derived expression matches option C perfectly, confirming our steps are correct and the constant of integration is included for us. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid skipping division or missing the log sign. Always apply division and the log rule.